So what is a statement of work? A statement of work, or SOW, is a document containing binding conditions that an organisation agrees on with a service provider that outlines what work needs to be done. It also includes details like how it should be done, when it should be done, and how payment is made. Broadly speaking, SOW refers to a way in which companies outsource tasks. SOW is often also referred to as services, consulting, or outsourcing. Nearly every company in the world will use them to outsource tasks and benefit from cost saving, greater spend control, and added visibility.
If you're going to write a statement of work, first thing that you need to know is what are the requirements. So you have to go out and develop those requirements, and that may come as much as yourself, our company, we've done this before, go out and actually sit with the groups of people that are going to occupy the building and talk through their requirements. We talk about furniture, we talk about power, depending on what the building's going to be used for. We talk about air conditioning, we talk about lighting control, we talk about environmental controls. Nowadays, when you're doing a building, trying to do a green building, you don't just have the lights on or off. You have areas of the building that have motion sensors. So if there's no movement in that section of the building for 20 minutes, the lights go on, which is huge savings in overall cost to run a building.
We are able to provide full visibility every step of the way by constantly asking such questions as, was the supplier vetted? Is the negotiated price defendable and competitive? Did the work begin without a contract? Has success criteria been defined? By establishing consistent guidelines, accountability, and sourcing framework based on your unique requirements, we assure you the best possible outcome and the highest possible value.
So those are just some of the things that you have to consider. You have to consider, what type of building is it going to be? Is it a 1-story? Is it a 5-story? Does it fall under the high-rise rules? I mean, there's lots of things that need to be considered when you're designing a building. And this is even before it actually goes to the design. This is that stakeholder requirements, which is very, very important. Your statement of work will be built from that stakeholders requirements package.
The main difference between hiring someone and using an SOW, or outsourcing a task, is that the business pays for an outcome, not a person. And with that comes a very different set of expectations. So why is SOW so important to business? In the digital world we live in, organisations need an agile workforce that is scalable, cost-effective, and capable of delivering change rapidly. By using SOW, organisations can access the skills they need quickly, which is crucial when designing and delivering new products and services, for example. However, some organisations have thousands of SOWs, all with different outcomes, costs, and suppliers, which quickly becomes a drain on time, effort, and money. This fractured landscape presents an enormous opportunity for businesses to get control of this spend and process.